Welcome! In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to add eye-catching highlights to your text, making important words stand out in your designs. First, let's open one of your existing designs where you'd like to add text highlighting. Go ahead and select the text box that contains the words you want to highlight. You'll find the Effects button in the toolbar at the top of your screen. Give that a click. Perfect! The Text Effects panel just appeared on the left side, giving you access to all the styling options. Scroll down through the Effects panel until you see the Background option, then click it. Great! Your text now has a highlight applied, and you can see the customization controls with sliders and color options just below. Here's where you can fine-tune your highlight, using these sliders to adjust the roundness of the corners, how far the highlight spreads, and its transparency level. Want a different highlight color? Just click the color box to open up more options. The color picker gives you tons of choices. Select any color and watch as your highlight instantly updates in the workspace. When you're happy with your highlighted text, click the Share button to save your design. This simple technique helps draw attention to key information and makes your content more engaging. That's all there is to it. You now know how to highlight text and make your designs more impactful. Feel free to go through this again anytime.